Write down the elements. I'll give you guys a minute. Then we'll see. Done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see. Check and tell me how many you guys got correct.
15.
15.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, I was actually referring to the kind of questions that were there in the last paper, like
Mm-hmm.
those which have different tiles in it, and we have to figure out something
Which types
out
are
of,
there?
Yeah, which has questions with it.
like the one which was there in last attempt.
Can you like tell me, show me what kind of question it is? Because there were many.
And that arrangement is very critical type.
Okay, wait. We'll discuss that later. Okay, we'll continue with the session because already time. The one who asked a doubt. Okay, if you can message me that question, like screenshot or something, I'll see. Because
Okay.
otherwise, I'm okay. Okay. Mm, let's.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, there will be no time limit for writing these.
No, no, no. As such, I have not seen, so no problem in that case.
No, ma'am, now just you show for 30 seconds that picture, no, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. That one only I'm saying. I don't think they time you for writing the answers, just the image.
There is no time limit.
No, no. Okay, so the next image, there are more images, so I'll give you guys more time. Okay. Write down the images. I'm sorry, elements. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ask question something related to it, ma'am, like 2 questions from the image.
What? What?
Ma'am, like from the image, ask some 2 questions or like that. We'll have that pattern in the exam.
Ma'am, like how
Acha, specific type of question. How many eatables are there? Those kind, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. The reason why we are doing ki I want you to write the whole all of the images elements is that if you do that, specific questions asked like suppose how many living beings are there in this, that will make it easier to write the specific this one. Okay, choosing the images out of the set is difficult rather than writing all of the elements in order. Okay, that's why because that will fulfill both the possibilities. But we will, no worries. Okay, tell me how many you guys got correct?
6.
6? Okay.
11.
20.
Okay, chat me.
20, ma'am.
20, 14, 15, 20, 20 in order. Okay, many of you guys. 20. How many are there? 20 only, no? Very good. If you guys are getting anywhere near like above 15 and 220, 20 is the best only. Very good. Many of you, huh? Good, good.
Ma'am,
Huh? Yeah?
ma'am, I have shared that images with you.
You have? Okay. Acha, okay, like this. Carefully observe the 30 seconds will not appear again. Review. 30 seconds. Okay, nice. These are very specific type of question. Findings, it's like this. The first question that you've sent is a little difficult. We'll find though. I'll search though. Okay, I've just also sent
Yes,
sir.
ma'am. Option.
Just a second. I've sent sir the PDF of riddles and logos just now. He'll upload it and cube and dice. Okay, I think by tomorrow he'll be able to upload. You can search from there. Okay. Different visible only 30 seconds. Okay, won't appear again. 30 seconds. Oh. All right. Okay, I can do this. Fine. Okay, now let's start this. I'll include these questions. Okay. Maybe now. Let's see. Pick 4 terms which represent the image given below. I know it's not very clear, but we'll try.
intricacy?
Intricacy.
Intricacy.
Yes.
Pattern.
Organic.
Pattern. Yes.
Repetition, ma'am.
Repetition.
Pattern.
Yeah.
Pattern repetition.
Pattern. Repetition. Yes.
Will organic.
Tilt.
Yes, you can term organic.
Texture.
Balance.
Tilt, ma'am.
Tilt.
Mom, how
Tilt.
can it be organic?
Because there are some this one which are not geometric shapes. They are freehand. Okay. Pattern intricacy.
And
Okay.
the upper
First.
one is like the most like specific for organic. Upper pattern.
This one. This
Yes,
one.
ma'am. So
What is mean by B intricacy?
Okay, didn't we discuss this yesterday? Intricacy is detailed work. For example, this one. Okay. So first will be intricacy, correct. Then pattern, yes. Repetition, yes.
Yes.
but repetition is only under like specific figures. Their repetition, like it's not that prominent over there.
Yes, but in this kind of images we saw yesterday, day before yesterday also, no? This said. There was parallelism here, but there was not parallelism everywhere, right? So part of it had it, so that's why we included. Not that it has to be there everywhere.
मैम का टेक्सचर पे है टेक्सचर
Texture? No,
No,
I don't
ma'am.
think so. No, I don't think so. Texture would be where it is, उभर के मतलब 3D type. This one it is looking. This is just as image. In architecture, buildings and all, texture will be there. Okay, not. I don't think it is there. Anyway, radiation here.
या
Only this.
रेडियल बैलेंस
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Radiation is there. Then organic also is there. Okay, I think that's it. Some would say there is symmetry. I don't see it. I won't include it. Intricacy, definitely. Pattern,
Ma'am,
definitely. Yeah.
ma'am, what is radiation in
Repetition.
this picture?
Radiation here. Can you see the cursor moving? Here. This.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, it's clear that it is called radiation.
Yes. It's radially, that part is radiation.
Ma'am, can you tell what's the difference between
Ma'am, it is not highlighted.
continuity?
Okay, one at a time. Difference between? Are you guys able to hear? Yeah.
Yes.
Someone was asking about the difference between something and something. Can you repeat your question?
Movement and continuity.
Movement and continuity. Okay, I'll explain, but let's come to this. Finish this first, okay?
Ma'am, difference between movement and flow.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, the radial balance is not total in image.
No. They have not given radial balance. They have given radiation.
Radiation. Okay.
Yeah, that's the difference. Okay, these 5 would be my answers. Okay, out of those 4, I think you can. I don't know if I would put repetition in the first this one. I know it's there, but before that, it's organic. Most of the favor. Okay? Then my last one would be repetition. Okay, this is how I would solve it.
Ma'am, the order of prominence would be this, no? Like a repetition would be at the last.
Yes. Priority, no? Okay, let's.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. This
Parallelism.
listen.
3D effect, ma'am.
3D effect.
3D effect.
Parallelism, repetition,
Yes.
symmetry.
Ma'am, depth is there.
Depth.
Gradation.
Yep.
Ma'am, is there contrast is there?
Gradation.
Gradation, I would say, is more.
Focal length, focal point.
Focal point, no. Where is the focal point?
No, ma'am. There is no.
What it means?
Ma'am, is there any
Focal point
repetition?
means, huh?
Is there
Repetition.
any repetition?
Gradation.
Repetition, yeah. Some part is there. Square. It's repeated.
Ma'am, gradation.
Gradation, yes, definitely. They are all use of white, gray, black.
Complexity.
Ma'am, can you tell me what is hierarchy?
Okay, are you guys not attending classes daily? Because I explained it like 2 classes ago. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Okay. First, foremost, what is the one that you'll say it is there?
3D effect.
3D effect. E. Okay.
Repetition.
Repetition, yes.
3D effect.
Gradation.
Direction.
Gradation, yes.
Gradation and 3D.
Parallelism.
Parallelism.
Intricacy is also there, no?
Ma'am, I don't think
There's intricacy in the option. Oh, it's there. Complexity would be more. It's not intricate.
Ma'am,
It's
intricacy and complexity is the same, no, ma'am?
No, it's not. Here it's a complex image, but this is an intricate image. This is also complex, but it is intricate. Okay.
Ma'am, was the last image intricacy?
Yes, intricacy was there. That was the first thing that we included. No? This is intricate.
Ma'am, can you explain intricacy and hierarchy?
Okay. Intricacy is this, where it is very detailed. Okay. Or detailed.
Okay.
It means that have more than much elements, right? More elements.
Crude form, yes. Not that it will always work. Sometimes intricate means less one also, but more detail. That's a different thing. Okay. This is complex. Okay. You cannot make head or tail of it when you look at it the first, second, or third time. It's complex, but it's not intricate. Okay. This is intricate. Okay, understanding the difference?
No detail.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First is repetition. Yes. Where is it? A. I've written. Parallelism. Yes, some part of it is there. Parallelism is there.
3D
Okay,
effect
include that
also.
also. Okay, datum no. Symmetry. No. 3D effect we wrote. Depth.
What is datum?
Again, you guys not attending class every day. The reason why I'm asking you to attend the class is because I'm explaining these things one class at a time. We did datum day before yesterday only, no? Yeah. Datum is a form or a object in architecture or painting anywhere which binds together all the other elements. 3D effect, yeah, depth. No, I don't think there is depth here. There is not
Ma'am,
much to make sense.
parallelism
There
won't come.
the effect where there depth will also be there, right?
What?
Ma'am, I think depth is there.
Like where
Yeah?
the effect is there, where we can see 3D effect.
No. 3D effect is there does not mean depth will always be there. No.
Oh,
Okay.
ma'am, is your
Ma'am,
correction?
there's no parallelism that much. It's
No.
not like
Much
a
is not
rainbow.
there. It's very less true. I've included because there is some parallelism. Okay. We'll then see which will be the best link. Four most important. Yeah. Gradation we included. Play of background and foreground no. Intricacy not much. Complexity definitely. Focal point no. Hierarchy no. Continuity. Kinda. I won't include it though.
Ma'am, there is depth, right?
No, I don't think there is depth here. What do you
Ma'am, in the right
what,
hand corner, the top end, it's there, right? Depth.
what do you mean?
Actually, there is a depth, I think so, ma'am, because it is going inward.
Okay.
Every box is going inward because it has a shadow also.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, but it's not fulfilling the definition of depth.
Yeah. What is the definition of depth? Anybody other than those who are saying there is depth, can you give me the definition of depth?
When because of the shading and stuff, it looks like you can see it like there's depth in the object because of the shadows and the shadings.
Okay. I'll show you guys some examples. Maybe that will clear it up. For example, this one. Okay. I know these are very blatant examples. Sometimes, yeah, some part of this image, the one we were seeing, it has some depth. Okay. I'm not saying no, but I don't see it very clearly to include it. This is also an example of depth. It again, it looks like a little bit of closure, but it looks like it is going inward, farther.
But like over here, they've included this cube also. So
I'm saying there's some depth is there, but I don't know if it is enough to include. Okay. Wait, let's see. Come back to this. It's not very apparent, I feel. Okay. I'll keep it.
Ma'am, then the
I
same
would
goes
not
to
keep it.
parallelism, right?
Yeah, same thing. Okay, so which is the one thing that is surely there? You don't have to, doubt it.
3D effect.
Gradation? Yes.
Gradation.
Correct. What else? Complexity?
Yeah. 3D, ma'am.
Yes. 3D also. E. What else?
Repetition.
Repetition? Yeah.
Intricacy.
And somewhat parallelism.
Parallelism is that, but the four main that you have to select, those only I'm asking. Four main.
don't we use repetition only when almost the same kind of thing is repeated. Here it's kind of different everywhere.
Ma'am, squares are many, ma'am, like
Yeah,
English.
repeated many places. Yes, that's why I've kept it. Okay. First main thing for me, it is gradation. Obviously, it's complex. 3D effect is there. Then, which is well, anything which is less apparent. Datum is not there. And I'm gonna end. Yeah, repetition I will keep because the others are less. They're there, but they're less. Parallelism, so you can keep. Okay, if you do include, if they ask more than 4, you can. Okay. Can we consider 1 point perspective images as depth? Yes, always. 1 point perspective will be having, if it is in 1 point perspective image, it will have depth. Next, busy images, some I pulled.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am,
can you give a picture example for order?
Picture example for order. Okay.
Actually, hierarchy and order are a little confusing.
Really? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, hierarchy and
Ma'am, what is the difference between dominance and emphasis? Emphasis?
Okay. Have you guys read the Elements of Design PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Didn't get it from there? I'm just asking. I'm not, I'm saying I want to explain. I'm just asking.
No.
Was it
Ma'am,
not?
but I have little confusions, ma'am.
Okay. 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 What is the date today? July 8th. Tomorrow will be 9th, 10th. Okay. I'll ask sir if you can have an extra class tomorrow. Well, Gaurav, sir, you there? Gaurav, sir? Okay. I'll ask him when he's available at the end of the class, probably. Whatever doubts you have of elements of design, send it to me. Okay. So that I can make a PDF where I can clear all the doubts. Uh, 2 classes will keep. One is the NATA 2021 paper and one is the elements of design doubts. Okay.
Ma'am?
Hmm?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have no doubt in particular, but when I solve such questions, the options confuses me.
Okay, if you are clear with the elements of design individually, what they are, you will
Yes.
immediately start getting. I'm not saying you will get
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of them.
Same with me.
Theoretical knowledge warring with practical. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Fine. Tomorrow when we'll have the class, okay, I'll try to explain how you can get it practical, how you can try it practically. Just whatever doubts you have of principles of design, including theory or identifying, just put it in DM me. Okay, so I
Okay,
can
ma'am.
clear all the doubts at once.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Yeah, I've paused it actually. We'll do a busy images. The first one is not very busy as such. Just kept it, to start easy. How many kids are there in the image?
Ma'am, show the image for 30 seconds and give the question, ma'am. We'll answer then.
Okay. Stop share. I think you guys have seen the image already.
No,
But
ma'am, we have not.
14, ma'am.
Ma'am, show once, ma'am.
14.
14, ma'am.
okay, see. Anyway, for now, whoever has
14.
not seen yet, okay, just I'll give you guys 30 seconds. But I think you guys solved it within 30 seconds. So I don't think that will be a problem to others.
Ma'am, but you had given the question already.
I know, right? That's why. Anyway, try it. I'll see how much time you guys do.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Oh,
14 children and 1 man.
14 children and 1 man. Okay. I hope you guys are done within this time because 30 seconds are up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 kids, 1 adult man. Okay, it's not very busy. I just wanted to give start with easy, and tomorrow we'll do more busy. I mean, busier images. Okay, next question. I'll time this one. Okay.
Ma'am, 14.
18.
14.
14. Okay.
18.
18. What was the question again? What did you guys?
How many carrots are in?
Carrots.
Carrot.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 15.
15. Okay. That's the final answer? 14, 14 or 15?
I saw 18, ma'am.
18. Okay. Okay, I'll show the images again. We'll count again. How many carrots are there in the cart?
7.
7?
7.
Correct. How many are there on the pig?
4.
5, ma'am.
5, 5, ma'am.
5.
4, ma'am.
4. Okay.
5.
5, ma'am.
5, ma'am, 5.
5, ma'am.
5. Okay. I'll zoom in and see it. It's not very clear though. It's from Pinterest. Those people don't let us download it.
Ma'am, are they going to give such complicated images?
Yes, they might. Okay, but it won't be very unclear like this one. Okay. Yes, here there are how many?
Can we zoom, ma'am?
4
Yeah,
or 5,
yeah, you
ma'am.
can. 5. 5, 5, 5. Here there's a double. You can see a line here in the middle.
7, 5.
Yes, 7, 5, and then there are 3 lying
7,
down.
3. 15.
Yes, 50.
Ma'am, 2 carrots are there with the donkey bag, ma'am.
Donkey, where's the
Yeah.
donkey? Oh, right.
Right side
Right
corner.
side.
Ma'am,
Yes.
17.
Yeah, 17. I forgot. Any other place?
No, ma'am.
No. Yes, 17 is.
Yes, ma'am, there is one more.
Where?
Before the tractor.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah.
We counted that. 3 were there here, no? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. 3.
17.
Okay, yes.
Okay, next, I'll show you guys.
Ma'am, they can also ask like how many types of animals are there.
Oh, yeah. They can get any
And
end
this
number
will
of
be
questions.
complex.
Huh?
And this will be complex in 30 seconds. It is not complex in that way. When we'll have no time limit, but this is complex in 30 seconds. If they'll ask like how many animals.
Yes, it is complex. I think that's the point of asking these type of questions.
Ma'am, for like this picture also, they'll give only 30 seconds.
They did some questions, okay, and some of the questions in your NATA 2021 paper, which I would consider they are difficult to solve within 30 seconds, but they did ask. So yes, they might.
So ma'am, like how many image type questions like for which they provide 30 seconds? So how many in a paper like from 10? Are
There's
there
no
10 or
particular number that they'll ask. Okay, that they have asked once Okay, these many questions they have asked does not mean every time they'll ask same amount of questions. Okay. You can go with, maybe somewhere there only, along those numbers. Maybe 5, maybe 6.
Okay.
Okay, next. I'll again start. Question is up below. Hmm.
14.
14.
20, ma'am. I got 20.
20. 20. Okay.
Ma'am, I got 23.
23. Okay, when I meant solid ground, that means not just earth, floors also. Was it not
Yeah,
clear?
the top floor, na ma'am. Like if it's okay, na. If you count
No,
the top floor.
no, I didn't mean it like that. Those who are not standing on.
Ma'am, the people on cycle would be included or not?
Yeah, I included. Okay, not very vague. Okay, forget it. Uh, Solid land as in. Hmm. Now,
22.
how many? Guys?
Ma'am, I got 21 or 20.
21. Okay. Others?
23.
Okay. Can you tell me what they are? Can you tell me who they are?
Ma'am, one is on the tree.
Yes, this
Yeah,
one.
one is on the tree, and this
Yes.
was two of them. Like one is there on this ladder.
Yeah, ladder, yes. Telephone pole.
And
One
two
is
people
on
in the
this.
dormer window.
Yeah, and you're also on this
People
room
in
also, ma'am.
the dormer window. Dormer window meaning they have a floor, no? Floor of the house. It's on the floor of the house only.
Um,
Is it not clear enough now also? Okay. What I asked was those who are not on the solid standing ground. Okay, that
okay,
is
okay.
1, 2, 3,
2,
4,
3,
and 5.
5. Ma'am, there are two of them on the cycle also, like at the bottom.
Ma'am, 3 cycle and one is on.
3, ma'am.
2 people are on scooty. Ma'am. 2 people. Skateboard.
But ma'am, like they are like yeah, those and one they are to cycle.
Fine, fine. Okay.
Mm.
5 are on scooty and cycle, and 5 are on like total 10.
Okay, 5 are on scooty. Yeah.
3
1,
are on cycle,
2,
and 2 are
3,
on
cycle.
Ma'am, but this person on the cycle where the policeman is
He
there,
is
like his
standing
one
on
leg is
ground.
lying.
Leg is,
Yeah,
yes.
that's why.
Yes. Okay, leave this. It was a very big question. Done. Some questions on age and simplification. I want you guys to try. Was one student asked yes this morning, and one more student had asked as a doubt. So I thought we could include this. These are all logical based questions. There are no specific formula. So logically, if you try to get the answer, it is very easy. Okay, see, Father is aged 3 times more than his son, Ronit. Okay, 3 times his son, Ronit. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times Ronit's age. For after further 8 years, how many times would he be of Ronit's age? Try this. Do you want to try or shall I,
We'll try, ma'am.
Try.
Mom, is Ronald's age 24?
Yes.
Ma'am, is the answer 11 by 3 times of Ronald's age?
11 by 3. Okay. What about the ages you got? Current ages of
Father, father is 72 and Ron is 24.
Ronit is 24. Correct. So after 8 years, 80, 24, 30. No, 11 by 3. Are you sure? Check once more that one. The age part I got.
My voice is cracking.
Oh, is it clear now?
Mom, is it 3 times?
3 times. What are the ages of? Okay, is 16. Right, right.
24 and 72, Mom.
Correct. My mistake. 16 years. So 32 would be 40. And he would be 88. So
5 by 2 is.
no. Not
Mom, it is after 8 years, no, Mom?
After 8 years, it will be 5 by 2.
See here, the question is after 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. After further 8 years. Further means after this 8 years, then 8 more years. That means 16 years from the present. Okay. Understood the question?
Yes, ma'am. So he'll be 80 and the son will be 32.
No, 88 and 40. They are asking for 16 years later.
Mom, so we could take in the first equation only f plus 16 and r plus 16, no, Mom?
What? No. Well, the information given, see. Father is aged 3 times his son. Okay. Father is
We
aged.
need to find their age.
Look, listen first. Father is aged 3 times his son, 3 times Ronak. Okay. Then next information is that after 8 years, he would be 2.5 times Ronak's age. So f plus 8, because after 8 years, is equal to 2.5 times Ronak's age after 8 years. Understanding this equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to solve it Okay, you will get 2f plus 16 is equal to 5r plus 40. Put f value is equal to 3r, which is given in the first statement. Okay, you will get Ronit's age as 24 and father's age as 72. These are the present ages. Okay, which is f and r. Okay, I'll write it here.
Ma'am, I understood till here, ma'am.
Okay.
But why it is after 16 years? They've asked after 8 years now.
No, after further 8 years. The question has been continued from the previous statement. Just don't read the last part. Read the.
Is it
Yeah,
4 by 25?
what? What is it?
44 by 25.
Why 25? No. See, after 8 years, this is the statement 2.5 times Ronit's age. After further 8 years, further means what? From this part. Okay. Meaning from present it is 8 plus years. Then from further that plus 8 years. That means plus 16 years from the present.
Ma'am,
They had asked,
we have to add 16 to Ronit's age and then calculate.
Ronit's age and the father's age.
Okay.
Okay. See, because if they had asked after 8 years, how many times would he be of Ronit's age? But after 8 years ka equation they have already given. They've already said father will be 2.5 times Ronit's age. You don't have to calculate it again. They are asking how after further 8 years, meaning 8 more years. Okay, so that means 16 years from the present. And what we've calculated the ages 24 and 72 is the present age. So Ronit will be 24 plus 16, 40 years old. Father will be 72 plus 16, 88. 88 by 40 would be 11 by 4. So,
11 by 5, no, ma'am.
11 by
5, right?
5. Why 5? 2. Wait, my brain is not working. 11 by 5, correct.
Yeah, ma'am, 11 by 5.
Yeah, correct. My mistake. 11 by 5. Did you guys understand the reason for taking 16?
Yes, ma'am.
From the present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, great. The questions, sometimes they confuse you like this, okay? Try this. This is a simpler problem.
Ma'am, how we are getting R is equal to 40, ma'am, in previous question?
We are getting R is equal to 40 because after 16 years, his age would be 24 plus 16. It's just 40.
Okay, ma'am. Then
the options there or no, that depends on them. Okay. But in speed, time, and distance question that they had asked in the paper, they're not given any options. Can you say no? Wait.
Ma'am, B's age will be 10 years.
10 years.
Yes, ma'am. 10 years.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, is it B is equals to 10?
Yes. A is 2 years older than B. That means A is B plus 2. And B is twice as old as C. B is equal to 2C. If the total sum of their ages is A 27, how old is B? Okay. One equation, so you have to find out one variable. A value is already B plus 2 plus B as it is plus B by 2 is it? Yeah. Is equal to 27. 2B plus 2, 2B minus 2B plus B by 2 is equal to 25. 50. Yes, X is equal to B is equal to 10 years. Okay, do you guys understand how to solve? Whenever one equation is given, obviously you have to substitute in terms of one variable.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Try this question.
Forty-nine.
49.
49.
Yes. Yes. First you will solve the
49.
yes.
Bracket.
Can't see the question.
Okay, first you solve this part bracket, which is 4 into 25, which is 100. Okay. Then there's multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. First is division. So 100 divided by 6, 50 by 3. Okay, keep it in fraction form itself. Then multiplication, addition, subtraction में multiplication is first. You solve it, you get 50. 50 plus 7 minus 8 will give you 40. Okay, any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, try this.
Ma'am, is it 256?
1.
1.
1.
1. Okay.
1.
Okay, off is there. 64. 64 divided by 8.
0.
Get 16. Hmm. 8 divided by 64, no? Sorry. 1 by 8 plus 8. Okay, anybody got any other answer?
Is it 16? 16?
No, it's not a whole number. I mean, it's in fractions. Okay.
1 by 25?
No.
16 plus 1 by 64.
16 plus 1 by 64. What that be? No, it will be too high. What mass 1 into 8?
Ma'am.
Hmm? 16. Okay, first tell me in the numerator, what will you do?
1 by 4.
First, we will do division.
No, first you'll do off. BODMAS में bracket off. Off is first. Is that what everybody did?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe that's for different answers. Okay. 8 divided by 8 of 8 means technically it means multiplication. Okay. So it will be 64 plus 8. Okay, I'm just taking the numerator here. Now, next what to do? Division. This will be 1 by 8 plus 8. Okay, this is your numerator. I'll just solve it only. 68, 1, 8, 8. It is a 66
Ma'am?
by 8, yeah?
Ma'am, first by board mass rule, we have to do divide only, no, ma'am. Why we are multiplying first?
What does BODMAS B mean?
Bracket.
Brackets.
What does O mean?
Of.
Of.
Division.
Division.
Multiplication.
Yes.
Addition. And subtraction.
Yes. Subtraction. First is of or division. First preference is compared to of.
Okay, ma'am.
Of is there. Okay. Let's take the denominator. Eight divided by 8. First here we'll do division, correct? So 1 into 8 plus 8. Here it will be 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, now take the numerator and denominator together. So it will be 65 by 8 divided by 16. What will you get now? What will you get now? Guys?
$65 divided by 8 into 16.
Yes, which is 8 8 8 6 48, 128. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell that 65 by 8? How did you get that?
65 by 8, okay.
Okay, now I got it.
Got it? Try this. Very interesting question. 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 8. Oh, shit. No, let's skip this question. I think it's a little wrong. I think some part is wrong. Try this.
9 by 3.
9 by 3, you mean 3?
9 by
312.
312.
Okay, you can simplify it.
3 by 104.
Yes. Okay. Numerator में first it's 16 9 minus 9 into 15. You can take 9 common. Otherwise, you can just multiply and then subtract. Same thing. Okay. Yeah. 16 into 9 minus 9 into 15. First 16 into 9, then 9 into 15. Then subtract them. You'll get 9, definitely. Then here, first multiplication, then addition. Again, you can take common, which will be easier actually, as shown here. Okay. Here 9, if you take common, 16 minus 15, you will get 1. 9 will remain. Here, if you take 12 common, 25 plus 1, 26. 9 upon 12 into 26. You can divide 9 and 12, you'll get answer easily. Okay. Any doubt in this? This is pretty easy.
No doubt.
Okay. Try the next. Present ages of Samir and Anand. Try this.
Anand's age is 24.
Did you solve it before or you did it right now, just now?
Right now, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, it's correct. Also, after we solve some more problems like this, one student had asked a doubt. I think it was, yeah, Vinita. She had asked to explain saturation lumens, difference between shade and tint. Okay, that I've collected some more examples and.
Yes, ma'am, it's me.
Yeah, you had asked, no? So
Yes,
I've collected the definition. After this, I explain that. That is important, so pay attention. If you're going to leave, don't. Others.
Ma'am, the answer is 3024.
Answer is okay. They have asked Anand's age. It is the answer should be 24.
24.
Yes.
24.
I don't know what is wrong with the chat box. It's opening only when I pause the image. Okay, let's solve. Okay, again a logical based. Samir is to Anand. Their present ages these are. Okay. 5 is to 4. Okay. 4s. I mean cross multiplication. S is to A is equal to 5 is to 4 means S by A is equal to 5 by 4. Okay. This equals that. So cross multiplication 4s is equal to 5a. I will substitute s in terms of a because they have asked Anand's age. Okay. So I'll write s is equal to 5 by 4 into a. Okay. Next, they're saying after 3 years, the age ratio is 11 is to 9. S plus 3 is to a plus 3 is equal to 11 is to 9. Again, this means s plus 3 by a plus 3 is equal to.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
S plus 3 by a plus 3 is equal to 11 by 9. Okay. Again, cross multiplication. When you solve it, you'll get an equation in terms of s and a. For example, here. Okay. 9s plus 27 is equal to 11a plus 33. I can substitute, reduce it further, take constants one side. Okay. S I'll substitute it as 5 by 4 a. Okay. Then when you do that, there's one equation, one variable, you'll get a is equal to 24. Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
This question, no, the question is actually different. I read it differently. That's why I changed the question. They have mentioned that father is aged 3 times his son Ronit. Okay. The question actually was Father is aged 3 times more than his son. Okay. So, father is aged 3 times his son means f is equal to 3r. Right? You understood why, right? If I say father is aged 3 times more than his son, what do you think is the difference between these two statements?
It's f equals to 3 plus 1.
Yes. Here they are saying 3 times more than his son Ronit, meaning father is aged Ronit's age plus 3 times Ronit's age, which is 4r. Okay, understanding what I'm meaning to say? This is a clear-cut statement. Aged 3 times. Okay, wrote f is equal to 3r. Here, 3 times more, meaning plus than his son. Son's age already is r in our case, plus more than that, 3 times more. So it is 3r plus 3r, and it is 4r. Okay, you know the difference between these two so that you can, if they do ask a question like this. Okay, understood what I'm saying?
Ma'am, 3 times it's a 3R. That's it, no, ma'am.
Huh. 3 times his son Ronit is that one, what we did. Okay, but they're saying 3 times more than his son. More than means already R is there plus something else. Here it is 3 times more his age. It's 3R plus R. It's a little like wordplay kind of thing. Very subtle differences.
Ma'am, other than the ages problem, this year, this time they ask these geometrical questions where it was not just apply the formula and get the answer. We had to use more of our visual skills. So can you
Geometric the angle finding question once?
not angle finding, but
Like we were supposed to construct arches and then find.
No, I'm not talking about ours. That was the other question to finding areas.
Shaded area related, I think.
Shaded area. We've
Yeah.
done shaded area question, but I don't think you guys.
But those questions were not easy. They were pretty complicated.
Yeah, I have it
So
though.
if you can
Just wait, I'll search it. Maybe. Yeah, shaded area. Yeah, we'll do 2 problems from there also.
Ma'am, we had done areas, no, ma'am. It's not uploaded on the app.
What
PDF.
area, the mensuration part questions you're saying?
No, ma'am, like 1 month before we had done.
Can you tell me what kind of questions we did?
Finding the area, ma'am. Shaded area. Yeah, ma'am.
It's not there in the group. Sorry, app.
No, ma'am. Not
Yes,
finding.
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is there, I think so, ma'am. The shaded area PDFs.
Ma'am, the mensuration PDF, after that,
Yeah,
Ma'am, the
just
same
above that
question is
it's
in
there.
the PDF, ma'am. In the same question is
Same
there in the
question, yeah.
PDF.
Okay.
the mensuration part is there.
Ma'am,
but
what
then
is the
these
name of the
questions which you got-
PDF?
Shaded area questions.
Shaded area.
Yes, ma'am. The shaded area questions.
Okay, then do one thing. Someone was asking, the student who was asking for the shaded area questions, go through that PDF first, the same PDF, the one I'm showing right now. Okay, then if you don't understand some question, we'll discuss. Okay. Meaning within 2 days, don't delay. Okay. I don't know if we've done this, but I want you to try once more. We've done this whole same.
Ma'am, linear rhythm is an Art Nouveau architecture style. No?
I'm sorry, what? Linear rhythm what?
Ma'am,
Linear.
linear rhythm is an Art Nouveau architecture.
It's a part of elements of design, not just architecture related. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, but the image you like asked when the live test was going, I think mock test, but it had like lines and linear rhythm. So I was saying.
Can you tell me the question? If you ask randomly, I won't be able to remember. We have done many live tests. Okay, just send it. I told na, send it. We'll discuss. Okay. Select a figure which will continue the series given in the first picture. Try this.
Ma'am, I'm in NATA first batch, ma'am, in app. I'm not getting the PDF.
Okay, others who are there in the app, who have checked in the app, which maybe it's in the second phase wala group.
Ma'am, the first one.
Okay. Oh, maybe. Okay, check it later, aram se. Maybe you're not finding it. If you still cannot find it, ask sir. If everybody is able to see and you are not able to see, maybe there's some problem. Okay.
Option 1.
Option 1.
Is it second one? Second option.
Second option. Okay. 1. Many are telling 1. Okay, someone who's
Option 2.
Option second one. Okay. It's in this direction. So 1 petal, 1.5. 1 petal, 1.5. 2, 1 petal. Okay, 1 is, yes, 1 would be correct. See, from image A to B, there's 1 petal, complete petal is added. Okay, B to C, 1.5 is added. C to D, 1 is been added. Okay, then D to E, 1.5,